Finding the right nude lip when you have brown skin sometimes can feel impossible. They're either too pale, they're too pink, but I finally found one that works on all brown skin tones. But first, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, hey, my name is Desiree, but I go by the Motley Girl. Let me introduce you to your new nude bestie, Bobbi Brown Luxe Lipstick in Neutral Rose, and here's why I love her. When it comes to undertone, she's right in the middle, not too cool and not too warm. Instead of blanking out your lips, it just enhances your natural lip color. Think your lips, but better. And the pigment is deep enough to show up on rich, darker skin tones. Pro tip, when you have brown skin, you're going to always put in a brown lip liner first. This will give your lips some definition and some depth. The smooth, creamy texture glides across the lips effortlessly and features ingredients to nourish, condition, and soften your lips. So if you're still struggling to find the perfect nude lip, make sure you check out Neutral Rose from Bobbi Brown. You can grab yours by clicking the link below. So there you have it. It's the perfect nude lip for day or night, no matter what your skin tone or undertone. If you're a little bit deeper than I am, you're going to want to reach for a lip liner that's a little bit deeper. If you're a little bit lighter than I am, you're going to want to reach for a lip liner that's a little bit lighter. So if you guys like this video, which I hope you did, give it a big fat thumbs up. Also, comment down below and let me know, what's your favorite nude lip? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.